Hey VV Nation, welcome to the channel. My name is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest, and I love doing these videos. So it's Monday, it's the 6 p.m. video. It's all about my top weekly picks. Now I took a little turn this week in looking at the picks for both the US and the Canadian market. I wanted to look at the top industries, but I wanted to make sure that the stocks in those industries had high CI or comfort index, which is cast on our scale between 0 and 2. Comfort index is stocks that are able to withstand long or lengthy price declines. These are stocks that are resilient and they keep going up. So I wanted to make sure that no matter what industry I was looking at, even if it was in the top 5, top 10 industries, that the stocks in the industry had high CI stocks. So when I went through to try to look and find the stocks, not every industry had high CI stocks. So I would bypass that industry and go to the next industry. And this is the list of stocks that I have for you, both for the US and for the Canadian market. So let's start with the US market. Not a lot of news. I'm not doing any of that. This is going to be a short, sweet, to the point video, right? So my top weekly picks in the US market would be SMCI, CRS, Limbach Holdings, JP Morgan Chase, who just beat earnings and revenue, and Amphenol Corp. So you may or may not know about this stock, but what I like about these stock picks, relative values, relative safeties are all above ones. These are fundamentally sound stocks, top VST stocks, all in an uptrend, but this is what I was really looking for. High CI stocks that have the ability to be resilient, and I thought that these were going to be good picks for you this week. So now I'm going to go to the graph layout for Star Search, put this on a 3-month graph. Interesting as I look at the first stock. Remember, it is a top industry in the computer makers, but I look at the stock and I say to myself, VectorVest says it's a top industry. The stock may not be the right stock to get in at this right time. And I'm okay with that. I see that the stock is in the channel, in a big channel. I want you to still keep your eye on the stock. Currently, with the current channel that it's in, the stock is back to being a buy, down day to day. Would I buy today? No. But I would keep my eyes on this stock within this channel to wait for it to be in the fast lane. All right. But I still want you to keep your eyes on this. Wow. CRS, bottom left, top right, fast lane. Boom. Lot of wick at the bottom, showing me more buying pressure than selling pressure. I like the split, or I like the channel. I like the pinch, and it's in it. Both DPOs are moving higher. Next one, LMB, bottom left, top right, fast lane. Boom. Like it. New 3-month high. Both DPOs on the rise. I like the split of the Bollinger Bands. Next one, JP Morgan, bottom left, top right, fast lane. Boom. Gotta love it. New 3-month high. Both DPIs are rising. It did fall into the middle lane for a quick 1 day, but now back on the uptrend. Let's go look at the next one. APH, bottom lane, bottom left, top right. Boom. But not today. I like that it just recently got into the fast lane. I see the little pinch right here. Keep your eyes on this. Keep your eyes on this. Both DPOs are above the 0 line, but falling off a little bit. But I do like the move, and the stock recently split. All right, that's the U.S. market. And now I got to go to the Canadian market. Let's go bring the Canadian stocks up. Here's my top 5 picks here. BDT, Google, CWB, Microsoft, SIA. Again, same scenario for the most part, all fundamentally sound with a couple of different. Now, in the Canadian market, I had a harder time because a lot of the industries that I was looking at that were top industries were also not having stocks with a CI above 1. So again, in this video, CI was paramount. So let's scroll over, look at the industries: building, internet, bank, software, healthcare. One stock from each of the industries that did have stocks with a CI above 1. Let's go graph these real quick. Put this on a 3-month graph. Let's go take off crosshair and take off end close. Interesting about BDT, like the bottom left, top right, not in the fast lane, in the middle lane. Keep your eyes on this. This is a stock that I want you to keep your eyes on, but man, I'm not feeling the DPOs on this. Maybe you wait a little longer before you take a look at this stock. Let's go to the next one. Google, bottom left, top right, almost ready to get back into the fast lane. I like the play. Both DPOs are starting to come up on the rise. I'd wait for it to get back into the fast lane before you pull the trigger. Now, interesting about CWB, got a big Bollinger Band, but in the fast lane, moving a tad bit sideways. Again, another stock that I would keep on my watch list. Microsoft, hot stock in the U.S. market, hot stock overall. I like the move bottom left, top right. Not currently in the fast lane, but I would keep my eyes on this one as well. Not pull the trigger until it gets into the fast lane. See ya. A little bit of a sideways move here, but currently in the fast lane. Love the open candle, very little wick at the top of the candle, and recently became a buy. I like the play. Make sure you buy on the day that the stock is moving up. Folks, again, to the point, some stocks I would wait on, but some stocks I definitely like right now. Folks, if you like what you saw here, hit the like button. If you're brand new to the channel and you like the content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be alerted when new videos like this comes out. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.